Hello, my name is Eugene, and this is my capstone project, AstroTyper Infinite Odyssey. The typing game genre is a classic, but it has been stagnant for decades. Traditional typing games rely on a static, pre-written script. Once you beat the game, you've seen it all. I want to ask the question, what if a typing game always has a new story to tell? What if the narrative and the enemies adapted in real time to the player's choices? To solve this, I built the world's first dynamically generated choose-your-adventure sci-fi typing game, powered by, you guessed it, agentic engineering with anti-gravity. So why use the AI agent for this? By using an LLM as a backend game master, the agent can actually reason about the player's skills and adjust accordingly. The agent ingests the player's words per minute and dynamically engineers the next wave. If you type at 40 words per minute, you get simple sentences and a few enemies. If you push 100 words per minute, the agent routes you to a more detailed narrative with an extra level, with more enemies and a secret boss. An agent is the only way to seamlessly blend infinite storytelling with real-time difficulty adjustment. So enough talking, let's show it in action. So here's AstroTyper Infinite Odyssey. Press space to begin. So here are the three starting genres: cyberpunk heist, sci-fi comedy, and space western. And boom, Gemini has returned a story for each one of them. Let's say I pick cyberpunk heist. Neon rain slicked the megacity spires as I bypassed the biometric lock. As you can see, every keystroke is a plasma bolt, every word is an enemy. Once I complete a wave, the AI generates 3 more choices to branch the story further. I type the path I want, and the game master instantly generates the next encounter based on that decision. It's an infinitely replayable and balanced experience. So here are the metrics of how I went so far. But suppose, let's say I beat the game. Right here. Here's a previous iteration of the game I played. 427 words typed, max combo, and so on. So as you can see, here are the branching points. Here, the genre is cosmic mystery, and here's the branching points I picked for each of the levels to further go down the story. So how does this magic work under the hood? I deployed on Vercel so anyone in the world can play AstroTyper. The front end is JavaScript that runs in the browser. For the back end, I chose Google AI SDK with Fast API to build a game master, and Vercel's serverless functions for scaling to serve multiple players simultaneously. I leveraged the world-class Gemini model via the API, so it's fast to experiment and easy to go into production. So let me show you my gamespec.md. This is a technical game design specification that highlights my high-level vision of what I want it to be, how I want the game to be experienced, and how it to be implemented at a high level. And then let's take a look at the agentic. This is the agents.md that specifies technical details such as test-driven verification and coding style formatting for Python. And here is my actual agentic code to generate seed stories as well as generate branches. Lastly, here are 6 skills. So in anti-gravity, the build process itself was a masterclass in true agentic engineering. I acted as the architect, while I used anti-gravity's AI assistant as my thought partner and autonomous coder. I didn't write the code. Instead, I built the ecosystem, the factory model. By developing a suite of 6 custom agent skills, I empowered anti-gravity to automate complex workflows, maintain documentation, and autonomously self-correct bugs using test-driven development. I even built an LLM as a judge LA suite right here to ensure the game master doesn't hallucinate. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.